Hello, I'm Brad Langerman from Steritor Sanitary Supply Company. We provide the cleaning and restroom items used at your Shop and Save. Joining me is
Leah Smith. I am a cashier here at Imperial Shop and Save.
in the following segment, we're going to discuss the importance of keeping your register area clean. Imperial Shop and Save cashiers, thank you for your loyalty and commitment in serving our valued customers throughout the pandemic. As we move forward in what is now an exciting time, our goal remains to keep our customers and staff safe and healthy. You play a major role in this by keeping your register area clean and disinfected. Each register station has a solution wipe bucket and roll pre-saturated with BioClean hospital-grade disinfectant, effective against and destroying all bacteria and viruses, including COVID-19. Always fold wipe, which provides different and sanitary cleaning sides. Pay attention to all high-touch surfaces such as credit card reader, your touch screen, bagging area, and belt. Rotate belt for optimum cleaning. Flip cloth occasionally, and always wipe in one direction for best germ removal. You can keep yourself healthy by washing your hands when leaving your register and before starting your shift. Here at Imperial Shop and Save, we clean for health first, because a healthy store means healthy customers, healthy staff, healthy business,
and healthy cashiers.